jealous because we in Slovenia, we are not in the same position, and we don't enjoy such support of the government because the legal research is somewhere very, very low in research priorities, and we cannot compete with natural sciences, technical sciences, and even other social sciences. So the legal research is somewhere below the bottom sometimes, and it's really great that it's a little bit different in Hungarian. So, however, Vasilka gave you quite a comprehensive introduction to Slovenian constitution and right to healthy environment, which is part of it. And I would like to stress some other points in my presentation regarding the use of constitutional rights in praxis. I'm not a constitutional lawyer. My field of law is private law, property, contracts and torts, and I will try to show you how some constitutional rights and practice are also very important for the development of classical private law institutes, especially in the tort law. So, Vasilka mentioned the most important fundamental right in our constitution, the right of healthy environment in Article 72 of Slovenian constitution. I will skip the adjective, what does it mean, living environment. It has been explained, but it's quite important what was stressed by Vasilka, that the Constitutional Court deals with this right as with the fundamental human right. What will be quite important in our case, which will be represented, because it's important for the establishing of damages. So there's another quite important provision in the Slovenian Constitution, Article 15, speaking about the limitation of the fundamental rights. I will not go in the details of this provision. As I said before, I'm not a constitutional lawyer. I'm not an expert for this topic. But however, of course, the human rights could be limited with public interests or with equal rights of other people. Here we have a picture of protest on our street in early 90s. Slovenia got independence, and one of the consequences was that our position a little bit changed in the Europe. Also the Europe changed at that time, and in very short period of time the transit over the country changed. Before, the main traffic road was from north to south, and later the traffic went from west to east, from Italian border to the whole country to the Hungarian border. And of course it's impossible to build a highway so quick, and we have a number of small towns and villages with a really heavy traffic with the trucks. No highway, no way beside the living area, heavy traffic through the center of living areas, and of course the people began with protest. It's a natural defense against such violence of their privacy and their